Hello, welcome back to another After Effects video. This time I want to look at mask modes. So we're going to draw a couple of masks and we're going to take a look, see what that does. So we'll draw a mask here and we'll do an intersection with, say, a rounded rectangle mask. So here is our rounded rectangle mask. You see I'm overlapping them. So normally the masks will be on add mode. This is the masking mode. And the reason for that is just to be constantly adding to it. And it works sort of top down. So the first mask is sort of the most important one, and then the second is the second most important, and so on. So for instance, if I change this mode here to subtract, we can see it's going to subtract all of the second mask, leaving only what is outside of that second mask's range. If we go to intersect, we can see we're just going to get the intersection of those. And then we also have difference. So difference will be the opposite of intersect. Let's take a look now. Let's try and draw maybe a third mask as well, just to take a look at that one. So draw a third mask underneath. And you see it's going to add everything. But if we do subtract, it will subtract the whole lot. Intersect, you can see it's going to intersect because we've got the difference on the second one. It's going to, wherever it intersects with the mask above it, it's going to have a point there. So okay, so we go back and also look at the difference. If we then do a intersect here, you see it's going to keep an eye on that piece there. With three masks here, we've got add on the top, difference on the second to get the opposite of the intersection. The difference could be seen as the union of 1 and 2 minus the intersection. And then if we do this, say we do subtract, it'll be minus the intersection and then minus the intersection between 1 and 3 and 2 and 3.